Hi guys, here is the honest review of AI Ninja Kit. World's first, complete newbie-friendly technology that lets you tap into 200 plus passive income streams, using artificial intelligence for any offer and niche, with zero prior skills or experience using 200 plus business-boosting AI tools, to skyrocket your business growth in a cost-effective manner. Watch how you too can say goodbye to feeling envious of your competitors' success and make $238 each day with no prior tech or marketing skills. AI Ninja Kit is built for everyone. Expensive apps that charge like crazy. Website owners, digital product sellers, affiliate marketers, social media marketers, e-com store owners, SaaS business owners, email marketers, influencers, video marketers, small business owners, bloggers and vloggers, coaches or trainers, and almost everyone else working in the digital marketing universe. Here's just a few of the countless benefits that AI Ninja Kit brings on the table for business owners globally. Create descriptions for Amazon products that rank on the first page of the search results. Write engaging product titles that will make your product stand out in a sea of competition. Build notification messages for your apps, websites, and mobile devices that keep users coming back for more. Create enticing article/blog introductions that capture the attention of your audience. Rephrase your content in a different voice and style to appeal to different readers. Create professional-looking emails with enticing subject lines that help you engage leads and customers. Write catchy and convincing headlines to make your Facebook ads stand out from the rest. Creating ads with unique and appealing titles that entice people to click on your ad and make purchase. Professional and eye-catching ad descriptions that will make your product shine. Build attention-grabbing, click-inducing, and high-converting ad headlines for LinkedIn. Rewrite your existing content to include more keywords and boost your search engine rankings. Engaging and persuasive stories that will capture your readers' attention and interest. Generate cool, creative, and catchy names for your startup in seconds. Write short, simple, and informative points for the subheadings of your article. Extend short sentences into more descriptive and interesting ones. Change the tone of your writing to match your audience and copy. Generate tweets using AI that are relevant and on trend. Catchy and persuasive YouTube descriptions that help your videos rank higher. Video outlines that are a breeze to create and uber engaging. Catchy titles that attract more views and increase the number of shares. And tons of other benefits when you grab your copy today. Top 6 reasons why every successful business owner needs AI Ninja Kit right now. First to market, 201 marketing kit for the price of peanuts. Create Jasper, copywriter. AI-like content without actually paying monthly. Create 200 plus passive income streams from a single dashboard. Say goodbye to wasting time logging into multiple AI apps once and for all. Our beta testers made real money using this exact same technology. Get 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. If you purchase the product from the link in the description box, I am going to provide a free bonus. In order to get that bonus, you can contact me on my Instagram and send me a screenshot of your purchase and I will send you the bonus. Act now and get 12 fast action bonuses worth $6,658 with your access today. Your purchase is covered with our ironclad 30 days money-back guarantee. For limited time only, grab it today for $17 only one time.